Hi, I'm Rebecca and I'm a teacher at Sweasy, your shortcut to the Swedish language. Sweasy is an online course where you will be introduced to the Swedish language through video lessons. In these lessons, we will focus on three things. The first one is understanding the logics on the language. The second is to produce sentences. And the third one is to pronounce the sounds. You will do this through listening, thinking, and speaking. And this means that you will not be writing anything. Yeah, that's right. You will not be writing anything. And this is very important because while writing will draw your attention to the paper, speaking will draw your attention to your own thinking and your ability to build sentences. So this is the Sweasy method that we will be using. You should also know about the Swedish language that writing and reading and spelling will not always help you to pronounce the words correctly, since we spell the words in one way and we pronounce them in a different way. So how will we do this? You listen to me, to the words that I introduce, and you repeat them out loud. And whenever I ask you a question, please pause the video and you think, you pronounce the words out loud, and then please play the video again. So, before we start, please just put away your paper and pen and grab a nice cup of tea and let's have a good time.